Hey friends, it's me, Mila Martinico, and welcome to my home kitchen, and we are making something delicious, possibly controversial, because everyone's always got to hate on the Italian American things, but listen, he who shall not be named is known for them breadsticks. Well, if you're gonna have people over, or if somebody asks you to bring something to a party this season, you wanna be bringing some garlic bread, all right? And let me show you my version of an Italian American classic that'll just knock everybody's socks off. First things first, let's talk about the main beautiful ingredient, which is my garlic confit. This is what it looks like when it's done, but all you do is get a bunch of cloves of garlic, put it in a little oven-proof, oven-safe container. Put the garlic cloves in there, put good quality olive oil till they're all covered, and a sprinkle of salt. And you're going to put it in a 325 oven for 2 hours, and what's gonna come out is these raw cloves are gonna turn into these beautiful, sweet and jammy cloves of garlic. I've used this not only on garlic bread, but I've put it on a nice juicy steak before. I've put it in sauce. I've put it in everything, and I've just eaten it spread on a piece of hot bread. It's incredible. First things first, I'm gonna put about, what is that, like a quarter of a cup of garlic confit in there. You can never have too much. I'm going to just kind of smash it up a little bit. Next, we're gonna add in 2 sticks of softened butter, 1/3 cup of parsley, cup of mozzarella, shredded. We're gonna grate in 1/2 cup of Romano, or maybe a cup. Never have too much. A little bit of salt. I'm gonna add something that's different than what I see people add, and that is smoked paprika. I just like the little hint of smokiness it adds. My nonna always added paprika for color. Now we're just gonna mash this all up together. Probably should have did this in the KitchenAid, but that's okay. Look how beautiful. Now you're gonna take your favorite bread. You can use baguette, you can use whatever you want. I chose an Italian loaf today, and you are gonna cut it in half. I didn't do the greatest job of that, but you're gonna cut it in half, and now we are going to, it's fine. Here we go. Listen, oh my God. And the best part about this is that butter is gonna get in all these like crevices. You know what? This would probably make an incredible like meatball sub. I'm so hungry. I'm coming up with other recipes in the recipes. Here we go. We are beautiful. We are gonna pop it in a preheated oven at 400 degrees just until it's all bubbly and golden brown and all that butter is soaked in, baby. Here it is. It smells flipping divine. Let's cut off a piece. I'm just gonna cut a piece like this. Even Nunzio's excited. You hear him squealing? Oh yeah. I guarantee you, if you are invited somewhere and you bring this, they're gonna invite you back. And they're gonna ask you to bring this every time. It's so garlicky, so delicious. Let me know if you try this recipe or any of my other recipes. And don't forget, subscribe, like me, follow me. I'm on all the places. That did not sound right, but that's okay. I love you. Tanti baci, baby.